Right. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Bonjour to all our leaders. So today I'm going to be putting you on how to go through about your back office, how to navigate around your back office, how to make reorders, how to recharge your wallet, how to also make registrations, how to upgrade your registration package to the higher level, and how to check a bonus. I'm just going to tell you everything about the back office. So now you listen. The first thing you need to do is you need to have a smartphone or a computer that is actually being connected to the internet. So it means that you need an active running internet for you to perform all these activities. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to the company website. Remember, we are you need a browser. In any of your browser, it could be a Google Chrome, it could be Explorer, any of the browser. Just type shinewayinternational.com, as you can see in my screen, shinewayinternational.com, and then you click enter. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page, the back office login page of Shineway Healthcare. So now at this junction, the first thing you're going to see is welcome to Shineway Healthcare International. Shineway makes life better. So here to provide exceptional healthcare innovations and of course long-term financial independence, create a better life to everyone. So now you're going to see where it's asking you to log in your, please input your user ID. Of course, you need to type your user ID there. It depends on your country or location. But if you are in Ivory Coast, it means that you or Cote d'Ivoire, it means that you're going to type in this user ID. Let's assume this is your user ID. Let's assume this is your user ID. It depends, the location that you are, registered on that. So let's assume you are in Ivory Coast, Abidjan, or Cote d'Ivoire. I'm going to just use this. But, even if you are in a Togo, Cameroon, it's the same process. All you just need to do is for you to type in your user ID, correctly, for you to be able to, access your back office. So please take note of that. So let's assume this is the user ID, and of course you input your password. So you will know your password. Just type in your password, and then you click on login. You click on login. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the Shineway back office page where you can, see everything. The first thing you're going to see there will be your name, of course, the name you registered with, and then you're going to see your distributor ID. And then here you see distributor level, which is the entry package you actually registered with in the company. And of course, you'll be seeing your leadership title. The leadership title, of course, since you've not gotten to any leadership title yet, it will actually be displaying your entry package, level, which is the consumer as this person is. And of course, we have honorary title when you are, gotten to that ranking. And then here on the left side, you're going to see where we have your total bonus. So it means that your total bonus will be reflecting here if you have any bonus. And then you can see the econ. So the econ is actually the 10% of all your earnings, be it referral bonus, matching bonus, leadership bonus, team sales bonus, any of your earnings, 10% is actually being deducted and then being credited in your ecoin for your order. So it means that you can actually use it for reorder. If you want to do your team sales maintenance, you don't need to pay any money. All you need to do is just go to your ecoin and then make your order. And of course, let's talk about the current month personal reorder PV. So the current month personal reorder PV reflects your current month reorder PV. Any reorder you do for the month, the PV actually is going to show here. Here is actually 0. It means this person hasn't done any for this month. And of course, that is what you need to do about to know about your back office. Quickly, let's talk about my information. So if you click on my information, you're going to see two things, which is my info and password. And of course, let's talk about my info. Click on my info. My info actually takes you to your information. on Shineway Back-Office. So all your information will be stated here, your name, the entry package you came in with, your leadership title, your sponsor, your placement, your bank information, the bonus you're expecting, the money in your account, everything is actually, reflecting here. And take note of that. Now, if you go back to my password, now upon registration, the company actually issue you a default password, which means that we have two types of password in Shineway, which is a login password and of course the security password. So now the login password gives you an access to your back office, but the security password allows you to carry out a transaction in your back office. So now let's talk about the login password. So now if you want to change your default login password from what the company gives you to what you prefer, it's very simple. If you get here, all you need to do is for you to click here, choose between the one you want to change. If it's actually your login password, click on change login password. And then you come here under the old password and then provide the password, the default password that was issued to you by the company upon registration. And then you enter the new password that you prefer. And of course, you confirm the new password again. So it means you repeat the new password here and then you click submit. So once you do that, automatically your password, will be changed. And then if you want to change your security password, it's actually the same thing. All you need to do is for you to choose change security password. And of course, you provide the old one, which is the default password from the company. And then you enter the new one you prefer, and then you repeat the new one, and then you click submit. And once you've done that, automatically means that your password has been, changed. So these are the things you do, if you want to change your password. So quickly, without wasting much time, I'm going to talk about, I'm done with my information. Now let me talk about my team. So if you click on my team, you can see your sponsored team, and then you can see binary structure. And of course, if there is any car promotion or international trip promotion going in your location or your country, it's easy. You can monitor them here in any of this. But now let's talk about my team. If you click on my team takes you to all your sponsored networks. So people you've sponsored directly, if you click here, you can see the people you've sponsored directly, the numbers of people. This person actually sponsored only one. That is it here. So here shows you your sponsored network. So it means you can see people you've sponsored directly under sponsored team. Now let's talk about binary. Binary, if you click on binary, binary shows you the structure of your network, being at the left side and the right side, And now let's talk about everything here. So through here, you can see everyone that you have on your, your structure. The structure, your family tree, what you have there, you see everything. Now, let me explain everything here for you. So the first thing is that you're going to see your number, your name, and then you're going to see total BP. So the total BP represents total binary point. This is a point that comes from registration. So it's either it's coming from the left side or the right side. It's actually binary. It has to do with the left and the right. Now you also have the balance BP. So the balance BP is the balance of the BP that you've matched already. Remember, every binary point that comes in from the right and the left side, the company deducts the lesser point and then matches for you to earn your pairing bonus or your matching bonus. And then, of course, if you have any balance, the balance is there. But once you've matched, the point goes up to the total BP, and then it's out of the balance. So what you see in the balance means that you actually have a balance point to, are waiting for you to match, when you have any activities on the other side of the leg. So now let's talk about total reorder PV. So the total reorder PV has to do with the total reorder PV that is coming from your team, including you. So it could be from the right side or the left side. It depends on where it's coming from. So you can see all those reorder PV, total reorder PV here. So now let's talk about the current month reorder PV. So this one actually has to do with the current month, the PV that you've been able to accumulate for the current month. So it's either going to show on the right side or on the left side, depending on where it's coming from. And of course, take note, from here, you can also see your downlines, the people that are under your genealogy. Now let's talk about how you can register someone. For you to register someone, it's through here. Let's assume this is your structure. You have somebody on the left side, and of course, you want to register on the right side to balance it. All you need to do is to click this registered area. If you click here, a form is going to pop up for you to fill up. So you can see all you need to do is for you to enter the sponsored number correctly, enter the placement number correctly. Take note, you have to ensure that you enter a correct number. And of course, you're going to choose okay, you've already gone to the site that you want to. So if you've not convinced, you can change it. But of course, if you've gone to the right side, you want to, and of course, don't change the new membership code. This is, automatic from the company, and then the password, do not change it also. So you start from the name, enter the name of the, new member that want to register, select the country. If it's Ivory Coast, you can leave it. If it's other country, you can also select, and then you put your the phone number of the person registering. Now it's time for you to choose the entry package of that person. We have starting from starter up to platinum. It depends on the person's choice. So you can choose it, and after that, you now select the product that the person is coming in with. Make sure the product matches the required PV for that particular entry package. And you have to take note of something. Now let's assume this person is coming in from silver and above. Let's assume you choose silver. If you're choosing silver, it means that you have additional free products. So take note, your entry level is silver, but your BP is less than, okay, that's actually, if you've put the BP, you have to confirm that everything matches. So you can confirm the total number of products, the amount you paid, and then the BP that matches that entry package. Now let's talk about the free products. From silver and above package or label, you're entitled to free product, equivalently or respectively. So you just have to select it here, enter it here, because if you do not put it upon registration and then you submit, you cannot redeem it again. So it means you can redeem that product. So after that, you put the address of the new member, the gender, the ID number, if you have any email, if you have any, of course, the bank information, and then you click submit. It's as simple as that. So take note of this. The back office is very easy for you to navigate around. So now let me take you back to the next thing. So now I spoke about the car promotion. If there's a car promotion ongoing in your country, of course, you can monitor the requirement here. Everything is required here. Everything is, stated down here. Everything is transparent. You can see if you have international trip promotion, you can see all the requirement here, the points you've been built up. So that's how the system is designed. Now, let me take you back to talk about the cash wallet. Please, this part is very important. You have to pay attention and listen attentively. So quickly, if you want to do any activities in the back office, if you want to do reorder or registration or even upgrade, it means that you must first of all recharge your wallet. There must be money in your wallet for you to be able to carry out that activity or transaction. So first thing you need to do, if you transfer money to any of the company's account, be it mobile money, MTN mobile money, be it the web, be it the Dijamo, any account that the company recognizes. So once you're done with that, the first thing you need to do is for you to screenshot the receipt and of course go to Cash Wallet. When you click on Cash Wallet, you're going to see 3 items there. So the first thing you're going to see is wallet details. Wallet details actually shows you your every transaction that comes into your wallet and what goes out. Everything will be reflecting here. Every money that comes in and how it was being out or used, you're going to see them here. So take note of that. And now recharge wallet. So recharge wallet means now you want to recharge your wallet. You've paid into the company's account, is for you to recharge. So first thing, select their bank you pay the money to. Let's assume you paid into WEF. You choose WEF. And now it's time for you to upload the receipt. You can see choose file. Do not forget this part, because without you uploading your receipt successfully, the money cannot be approved. So meaning it can't reflect in your back office. So now you go to choose file. If you're using your phone or computer, it's going to take you to where you save the receipt. So let's assume this is the receipt payment. You highlight it and then you open. Once you've done that, do not forget you're not yet done. You need to click upload. And if you click upload, it will indicate uploaded successfully. You are good to go. Now put in the amount you pay. Let's assume you pay 10,000, you pay 10,000 SEFA. You put it there, and then you put the remark. Remark has to be the name of the person who paid the amount. Let's assume the name of the person is maybe Sunday. So you put in your name there. And of course, the next thing you need to do is for you to provide your security password. And after that, you click confirm. So once you've done that, you've sent the signal of the receipt and your payment signal to the company for them to audit it and then approve to credit your wallet. So once you've done that, you're good to go. The company is going to recharge your wallet. And once your wallet is being recharged, you need to go back to your wallet details to confirm if the money has reflected here under balanced amount. So the money will be reflecting here. So please take note of that. Now quickly, let's talk about the wallet transfer. So it means that you can also transfer wallet to another ID or distributor. All you need to do is for you to click on wallet transfer. Let's assume you have, let's say you have 100,000 SEFA, and then you want to transfer it to maybe one of your downline. All you need to do is for you to provide your downline user ID here correctly, and the name will display on top. And then of course it's wallet, you leave it at wallet, then you put the amount you want to transfer. It cannot be less than 100. So from 100 SEPA and above, so you choose, let's say you want to transfer maybe let's say 5,000 SEPA, you put the amount 5,000, and then you go to provide your security password. So take note, I told you your security password is for every transaction you carried out in your back office. So you put in your security password and then you click submit. Automatically, the person is going to receive the money immediately. Automatically, the person will receive the money immediately in his wallet and he can make use of it. So quickly, I'm going to take you to the next item we have here. Let's talk about eCoin details. So here, you can see every of your amount that was being credited to your eCoin, where the money was coming from. Was it from your direct referral bonus? Was it from your leadership bonus? Was it from the matching bonus? All the details are transparent. You can see them in your back office where your money in your eCoin came from. Now let's talk about upgrade. Now, for example, you've registered as a consumer and later you got money you want to upgrade. It's very simple. Just recharge your wallet after you've selected your product. Come here, you can see the PV that you need for you to upgrade from consumer to bronze. All you need is just 49 BP. So after you've already selected the 49 BP and then you've paid the money, you've recharged your wallet, all you need to do, click on upgrade, come here, select the product that you put. And after that, it will give you the total BP 49 here below. You can see the total BP will be 49, then the amount you paid and the numbers of products you've chosen. And then you click upgrade. It's as simple as that. Take note, it's as simple as that. Then your account will be upgraded automatically. Now let's talk about your reorder. Reorder, click on reorder. If you want to make any reorder, just click on reorder. It's as simple as that. If you click on reorder, the system is going to take you to a reorder page. It's going to take you to a reorder page. You can see all you need to do is, like, for example, I've recharged my wallet. I want to buy one golden 6. I've paid already 16,400 SEPA. All I need to do is for me to just choose, the quantity, maybe 1. If it's 10, I'm going to put 10. And then you go down, it will show you the number, the amount you paid, the BP, and then now it's for you to decide how you want to pay. If you want to pay by wallet, click by wallet. So by wallet means you've already recharged your wallet, you've recharged it. But if you want to pay by eCoin, it means that you've gotten money in your eCoin that is up to the amount of product you want to purchase, and then you can click by eCoin. So once you've done that, click any of this, the transaction will go successfully if you have the amount that is up to what you are actually reordering. So it's as simple as that. So now let's talk about weekly bonus. So weekly bonus, if you click on weekly bonus shows you every bonus that comes into your back office or your wallet every week. How did it come? Was it from referral bonus, matching bonus, leadership bonus, team sales bonus, total payable, and then what was actually being deducted to your eCoin? Take note of that. And of course, which week did this bonus actually come into my back office? You're going to see everything here. So in Shineway, the back office transparency is awesome. There's nothing to hide. So quickly, let's talk about bonus details. Please take note of this. It's very important as well. Now, under bonus details, if you click bonus details, you're going to see 2 things. First thing will be my bonus details. If you click on bonus details, it's going to show you every details about your bonus. You see? So let's wait. It's actually loading. So you can see this person received bonus actually from a direct referral, that was created to eCoin. And another bonus was the one that came for direct referral bonus. You can see. So everything is here. You can see everything. Now, let's talk about bonus withdrawal. At this junction, you want to withdraw your bonus, take note of this. Click on bonus withdrawal. Let's assume you have a bonus and you want to withdraw. The first thing you're going to see will be my bonus. Your total bonus will be reflecting here. This person actually doesn't have for now. And then you see your phone number. Now, you're going to see your bank name. If it's actually mobile bank, you're going to see it here. And then you're going to see the number there. You will see your bank name, how your name is in the bank. And now, here you see your bank brand, or bank branch, yeah, maybe where the bank is. And now let's talk about the withdrawal. Now you want to withdraw, you can see withdrawal amount. How much you want to withdraw? Just type here. It's not a must that you withdraw everything at once. You can decide, maybe you can have 10,000 and you want to withdraw just 5,000. Just put it there. And now another thing you have to take note of is this. Sometimes you want your money in your e-wallet. You don't want it in your maybe account, like your mobile money account. You want it in your e-wallet because maybe you're expecting to do some registration. You have people you want to register. You have order. You want to make it simple. All you need to do is for you to choose. If you want it in your e-wallet, just choose e-wallet. And after that, put your security password and then click submit. But maybe you don't want it in your e-wallet. You want the money in your mobile account number. You can choose get the money. And then you put your security password and then you click submit. It's as simple as that. Each of any way you want it. Just choose either e-wallet or your money, and then you put your security password, click submit. And of course, the signal will be sent to the company, and then your wallet will be credited, or your mobile account will be credited, depending on what you want. And then after that, withdrawal details. So you can now see all the transaction you withdraw under withdrawal details. Everything shows there. So there's nothing to hide, or somebody stealing your money or something. It's very transparent. So at this junction, I want us to talk about my order. So my order in Shineway, every of your order details is under my order. If you click my order, you can view every transaction you've made with the order ID. You can view the product. What product was it? What date was it? You see, and everything is how many BP was it. So it's simple. Now let's talk about my undelivered order. So okay, my delivered order. So now if you make an order with your back office and then the product was being delivered to you either from the stockist or the company, you will see the details here. The date that the product was being delivered and the numbers of the goods, what product was it? Was it registered, registration goods or reorder goods? You can monitor it here, But if your product was not being delivered, even if it takes 2 years, it will still be there. You can always go to get your product at any time, nothing to argue about. Because if you click on my undelivered order, you also see the orders that you've made that were not being delivered. It will be displayed here. So it's simple as that. It's very simple. The back office is very simple and accessible, it's transparent. So now under my notice, if you click my notice, you can see every recharge rejection. Maybe you actually tried to make a recharge and it was being rejected. You can see the amount, your remark. Sometimes it's due to the fact that you've not uploaded the receipt, or maybe the remark, the name did not match. So everything on notice, you can see it under here. Then after that, always remember that the next thing to do is for you to log out here. But for example, after you've logged into your back office and then maybe you've forgotten the prices and the PV of product or their name, you can click on product review and it will take you to where you can see all the names of our products, the PV and the amount. It's as simple as that. You can see all the products are stated here. So the Shineway back office is awesome. And then after that, always remember that after you're done with all transaction, you have to always log out your back office. And it's as simple as that. It didn't take time. So please go through this video, get to master it so that you start enjoying your transaction. Take note, you can make your order from your bed. From your bed in the morning, you can recharge your wallet and make your order and get your product on your doorstep. So please try to learn, try to understand how to make use of the back office. And with this, you'll be able to have a successful business journey with Shineway. I love you. I remain Mr. Sunday Oton, your marketing manager. See you at the top. Merci beaucoup to all our leaders in Francophone country. Of course, thank you to all our leaders in Anglophone countries. Shineway has come to serve you. Remain blessed. Thank you. So now it's time for you to log out and stay blessed. Shineway makes life better.